Alec, Peirce at the ranch, by the way. I know some of you guys have ATVs and UTVs and more, everything else. I know that. And you know that with that machinery, doesn't matter what it is, it could be the tractor, the car, anything. With that machinery, one of the biggest aggravations is keeping it clean. Now, some people don't care. If you don't care if your machines are clean or not, then find another channel. But those of us that like to take care of our machinery, one of the biggest jobs is cleaning it. As a matter of fact, sometimes you spend more time cleaning your ATV than you do riding your ATV. Seems silly, but there you go. Anyway, the biggest problem with cleaning these darn machines is the bottom. And particularly with these outdoor machines, because you're going through mud and water and swamp and all kinds of junk, the bottom gets dirty. The top doesn't get too dirty. And when you want to clean the top off, you know, your soap and water, you rinse it, and then you wax it, whatever you have to do to make it nice and clean. But the bottom is still dirty. And it's a nuisance, and that's not good either, because first of all, that stuff builds up down in there, and it gets rusty and corroded and everything else. So you got to clean the bottom, if not every time, as often as you can. How do you do that? Well, I don't know. I don't know how you do it. I know how I do it. I've had a motorcycle lift, you know, one of those several $100s for a 1,200-pound lift, and you put the bike on it, or an ATV lift, and you pump it up, and it comes out, you know, it comes up 1.5 feet, 2 feet off the ground, and that certainly helps, really helps. But, you know, when you want to clean the bottom of your machinery really, really well, you got to get it up in the air. You got to get it up high level. And you can go underneath and clean off the bottom of the fenders and the tires inside and out, and the suspension. You can clean it really, really well. You got to do it, if not every time, once in a while. And this is how I do it. It's really very simple. A couple of slings to protect the finish of the machine. And I got the tractor with the forklift, the dub-a-doo, up in the air. I can raise it up higher and clean like this, so I can drop it down a little bit, whatever I want to do. I'm not bragging. Well, maybe a little bit. I'm lucky. I have a lot of machinery, and I have a tractor, and I have everything. I have straps and sling straps and everything else, so I am pretty lucky. Well, I just thought I'd show you what I'm doing this afternoon. This beautiful April the 7th. Tomorrow is a total eclipse. April the 7th. The sun is beautiful. I just put my jacket back on because it's just starting to get cool now. What is it now, 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just been a gorgeous day, 60, 70 degrees all day. I just love it. Absolutely fantastic. And here I am cleaning my grandson's ATV. Henry, my grandson, his name is on the license plate, so it'll be all ready for him when he comes down to visit next week. Anyway, just thought I'd tell you what I was doing and brag a little bit about how easy it is for me around the ranch. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Bye-bye.